Hey besties, welcome back to my channel, girl. If you're new here, my name is Ashton. I do lifestyle, beauty, and perfume content. But for the return bestie, hey girl, what's the besties? Y'all gonna tell girl we are doing my full 2025 Bath and Body Works candle collection. Now, mind you, y'all, I didn't get into candles until last year. You can ask my best friend. I just don't do candles, girl. But candles, especially if you're chilling in like your bed and you're like you're watching like your favorite show, just sets like the full vibe. Total, I have 5 3-wick candles and 5 single-wick candles. So let's do my single-wick candles first. Now, y'all know this past weekend, Bath and Body Works had their candle sale, girl. All their candle was $12, and if you had the 25% off coupon like me, it brought the candles down to $8.96. Which girl math is we don't count tax. So it was technically $8, girl, which I was so happy about, girl. So let's do my new 3 candles. So I bought 3 new candles, girl. So let's talk about one of my favorite candles that I bought this Friday is their new sweet carrot cake candle, girl. Take a minute for this packaging, y'all. Look like the bunny on here. I love the bunny on here. I love the flowers, and then you turn it around, we have like a bunny, a chick, and some eggs, girl. Like, basically, they ate down with this like packaging, girl. Now I did have this in the lip gloss. Friday, I was out with like my friends and I lost it. Rest in peace. Look, girl, Mary Kay in the lip gloss for the first time last year, and I used it for the like first time this Friday, and I was gone, girl. But I do have it in the travel size body spray as well, girl. But this has sweet cream cheese frosting, fluffy carrot cake, and cinnamon spice, girl. My bestie, I love how the top of the candle, it has like the little bunny like mirror type of packaging, girl. And bestie, this smells like a warm cinnamon carrot cake with like a cream cheese frosting, girl. Oh, this smells so good, bestie. And I love like this like light green like candle wax, girl. It's just so cute, girl. Like that, bestie, I don't know who came up with this scent and the packaging, but they need a raise, girl. Like, they freaking ate down, girl. Oh, so basically, I am gonna be lighting this. I said I'm gonna light this on spring break. So I'm like, on spring break, I'm just taking a week off from like filming. I'm still post, of course, but I'm not gonna film this. Like, this is like for all my gourmand, sweet gourmand, girl. Like, y'all know I love like strawberry pound cake. As y'all can see right there, I have strawberry pound cake. Y'all know I love strawberry pound cake down. And this, like, Bath and Body Works, like, they should have brought this inside of like a full-size body care. So like body cream, shower gel, body spray. I would have bought it in so many body sprays. Like, this smells so good, girl. Ooh, now I will say this could be for like a fall scent, because like my cousin get more of like a pumpkin. I get like a sweet cinnamon type of cakey scent. So I am gonna be lighting this for spring because it is Happy Easter right there. I don't know if y'all can see, it says like Happy Easter, girl. So yeah, the another one of my candles, which if you didn't shop this sale, bestie, I'm like, what were y'all doing? Because this candle, y'all, is $32. It's for $8. Now, if you didn't have a coupon, you still paid $12. Which me personally, I would like rather pay $12 than $32. That's just me, girl. But I love this packaging, y'all. Y'all know I love this all white. Y'all know 2 of my favorite colors is pink and white, and I love how this jar is like all white and like the jar is white, girl. And basically get into that packaging, girl. Like, that packaging, girl, is so cute. Like the little bunny on here and the eggs. It says Easter candy eggs. Now the notes on here is sugar coated jelly beans and orange vanilla cream. And I don't know if y'all can see. But on the packaging, they have like a light glitter shimmer effect, which is, y'all know how I love my glitter, girl. Now, this bestie smells so good, girl. I am lighting this all year round, because y'all know I love a good candy scent. Like, I love a good candy scent. This smells like straight candy. And I do get like that orange vanilla cream, which, oh, this smells good. Like, Bath and Body Works, if y'all are watching this, next year, can we please get this in body care, like Germex, at least a body spray, girl. Like this, y'all know Bath and Body Works don't drop hardly ever gourmands. Like, this year, y'all, it's the 3rd month of 2025, and all the gourmands they came out is Hum Forever Sweet, which I love. It smells good. And the other gourmand scent they came out was, what other gourmand scents? Oh yeah, and like sweet carrot cake. Those are the only two gourmands. And mind you, I love this scent down. It smells like, sweet grape candy. It smells good. But can we please get another like gourmand scent down? Like, please, like this smells. And I don't know who did these candles, y'all, but they need a raise. Like this smell. Like y'all know, if you're like a gourmand sweet candy girl, you're gonna love this down. Like this smells so good. I can't stop smelling this candy. I cannot wait to like this. I don't know when. I know I'm gonna like my sweet carrot cake like that on one day, and like this like the next day. Like, oh, this smells so good, girl. I love it. Now, if I had to pick one, probably sweet carrot cake. Y'all, I just love like the cakey, warm, sweet cream cheese scent in sweet carrot cake, girl. So yeah. Now, another one of my candles that I picked up this Friday was the Disney candle. Now, my favorite Disney scent from the whole Bath and Body Works line is is Cinderella. I got her in the, it smells like a sweet floral scent, but they didn't have that. They had jasmine, which basically this packaging is so cute, girl. Soon as this candle is gone, I'm saving this jar. Y'all love like the little mirror jar, but this jar. But that jar, girl, is so freaking adorable, y'all. Now, the notes on here is sparkling jasmine, jeweled currants, and softwood woods, girl. And basically, this smells like a smoky, spicy pepper scent. Like, for all my men who don't want like a sweet candle like Easter candy basket or cinnamon sugar pecans or like strawberry pound cake, this scent is not too sweet. It's not too manly. Like, y'all know I do not do manly scent, but this smells like, if I had to describe this candle, I would describe this candle as a spicy pepper scent. And y'all know how I love like my spicy pepper scent. Like, a lot of folks don't like Lost in Sansel because it smells spicy. I love that scent. It smells like a smoky. It smells like a smoky pirate, not pirate. It smells like I cannot talk. It smells like a smoky pepper scent, girl. And this candle smells so freaking good, girl. And it smells so bomb. And I just love this candle. I cannot wait. Now, this candle can be lit all year around as well. All your candles can, but the candle I'm going to talk to y'all right now, I'm not going to light that until October and November because it screams like fall scent, girl. So yeah, but this candle smells so good. I love this scent down, girl. And the packaging is just so cute, girl. So yeah, now, cinnamon sugar pecans. Now, I got this candle from their 2024 Bath and Body Works Candle Day, y'all. This has warm cinnamon, toasted pecans, and brown sugar. Now, I love the jar on here, y'all. It has like the little like leaves on there. It has like the leaves on there for fall, girl. And this smells like straight pecans, y'all. I love this scent. Now, it's cinnamon sugar pecans. I get straight of like a salty, like sugary sweet like pecan. Like a tad bit of like cinnamon, which I love. So this candle is not gonna be getting lit until in November, girl. So yeah, because I know like you can light any candle each month, but I'm gonna save this for October, November, so I won't have to buy no fall candle because this smells. It just smells so good. It's sugary, it's sweet pecan. Like, this smells like fall in a bottle, like. So good, girl. I love this candle now. I cannot wait to light this, girl. Now, one of my favorite Bath and Body Works candle of all time. Y'all know I am a vanilla girly. I bought this from Candle Day sale. I love the white. I love the packaging. This is Vanilla Bean. Now, basically, this has Madagascar vanilla, homemade marshmallow, and warm cinnamon and nutmeg, y'all. I love the packaging on this, y'all. Like, y'all know my room theme is pink and white. So, like, just having this on my counter looks cute. But no, this is my favorite Bath and Body Works candle of all time. Literally, basically, if I had to pick one Bath and Body Works candle to use for the rain, this smells like vanillas and marshmallow. It smells like a creamy vanilla marshmallow scent, girl. I can light this any season, and I am, girl. This smells so amazing, girl. It's sweet. Like, this literally smells like straight vanillas and marshmallow. Now, kind of smells like Vanilla Bean Noel, but more like vanilla and marshmallowy, and it just smells so amazing, girl. so amazing, girl. And I love this jar. I love this white on here. Like, this candle is my favorite, y'all. This smells like, and y'all know I am a vanilla girl. Like, I have over 12 vanilla body sprays, probably more. I stopped the counting. I love vanilla so much, and this is like the best vanilla ever. If they had this in a body care, I'm buying it. Like, it smells so amazing. It's like, y'all don't understand how good that smells, girl. Just chef kiss, girl. Now, those were all my 3-week countdown time for my single-wick candles. Now, I get the single-wick candles free because if you spend $100 at Bath&body, which I do every month, you get a free gift up to $16.95, which is like their hand, which are their single-wick candles, hand soap, shower gels, etc., etc. So let's talk about the candles I got this year. Now, the first one I got, girl, was almond croissant. I love this frosted jar, y'all. This packaging is so cute. I love like the packaging on here, girl. And the notes on here is toasty almonds, vanilla glaze, and flaky croissant. Now, I don't get no vanilla. I get like a straight almond. Now, I get like a little flaky bready croissant, but I don't get no vanilla glaze. I get straight toasted almonds and that croissant, girl, which I'm not mad about, y'all. This is like a perfect spring candle, girl, but I just love this candle. I haven't lit this yet, as y'all can tell. I probably got this either last month or in January, girl. I think it was the very end of January, girl, but I love this candle now. It's so good, y'all. And not to mention this, like, that packaging, girl, 8 down, girl, it's just so cute. The next one of my candles I'm actually lighting right now is, y'all know I love her down. I got her in 2 body sprays and the shimmer spray and the shower gel and the body lotion. And I got her in the lip scrub, and I had her in the hand cream. I got her in a travel size body cream, and I got her in a candle, and I had her in the lip gloss, but I'm all out. So I'm gonna have her in 10 things. Plus the candle. Strawberry pound cake is my girl. Y'all know how much I love my strawberry pound cake. The notes on here is fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. I actually have like the body spray right there, as y'all can see. Strawberry pound cake is my girl. She would inspire me to get into Bath and Body Works and found my love for Bath and Body Works, so she'll always have a special place inside of my heart. But I'm actually been lighting her, girl. This is my 3rd time having her in the candle. It just smells so good. I had her in the first candle back in like 2021. I had her in the candle last year, and now this year I love her. I love her down. Now I was gonna buy this in like a 3-wick candle, but I got her in a single wick, so it's not no point, girl. But I love her down. I get such like a cream cheese strawberry cake in here, girl, which smells so freaking amazing, girl. So yeah. Now, one candle, I got this in the body cream and I got this inside the body cream and the body spray, and of course the candle, which I am going to light this for like spring, so next month, girl, like a spring cleaning day, girl. Vanilla suede. Now this, I love the packaging. Now y'all, I'm a sucker for like a good cute packaging, girl, and that packaging is so cute. Now the notes on here is cozy vanilla, brush suede, and crystal. Now I don't get no vanilla. I get straight, fresh, clean laundry, and I'm not mad about it, y'all, because like spring cleaning is almost here, girl. This candle is gonna be having my whole house room smell so good. Oh, I love this now. I do got her inside the body cream and the body spray because y'all know I love a good clean scent, girl. And I love this packaging as well. Like I love like the white, like I love like the white top over here, the white packaging, and the little like brush like brown stuff on there. It's just so cute, girl. Like, she smells like laundry, and it's like a loud scent, girl, which I love. Y'all, but I gotta do my others, like single wick candles. Now, these are the Walmart brand candles, girl. This one is the stand for only $3. Now, this has lemon, lime, and sugar cane, girl. This can be a perfect summer scent. I don't have no summer scent, girl, if we're being honest, so I need to. Now, it doesn't smell like a cakey pound cake lemon, like ice, like, you know, like ice lemon pound cake. It smells like a sugary, like, lemonade scent, like a fresh cut lemon, and you're making, like, some, like, you know, like, lemonade. This is what this candle smells like. And y'all know I'm a sucker for a good cute packaging, girl. And this packaging is so freaking cute, girl. And this candle smells so good. Like, soon as June hit, girl, I'm lighting this candle. Like, it smells so amazing, girl. It's just chef kiss. Now, another of my spring candles, which is like the Walmart candle, is Starlit Skies. Now, basically, I love the packaging on here. I love the color on here. Now, the notes on here is blood, orange, jasmine, and sandalwood, girl. It's like a sweet calming scent. Like, it's like a sweet calming night scent, girl. I love this scent down. And not to mention, y'all, I love this packaging. And the color is so freaking adorable, girl. If Bath&body had a scent, I'm buying this in the body spray like this. It's like a sweet calming scent, girl, which I love, girl. So yeah, but basically that's all for my full candle haul, girl. I officially have 10 candles. I have 5 3-wick candles and like single wick candles. So yeah, but basically I hope you enjoyed this video, girl. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time your girlie posts a new video. And basically I love you so much, girl. And until next time, bye, bestie.